I think I stumbled upon one of the most addictive K-pop songs as of late. I'm gonna be giving my reaction to Yena's Catch Catch music video. This is a song that has popped up on my recommended so often. I hear it so much on TikTok and just seeing a lot of clips of it randomly from a lot of the challenge videos that I've been seeing. This feels like such a classic K-pop song, one that'll be very addictive, one that is super catchy, and I am so interested to see this because this is the first time I'm going to be reacting to Yena. When I look up Yena, it appears that she is a soloist and actress and a former member of IZ*ONE. That is insane because I wasn't a K-pop fan when IZ*ONE was around, but ever since I became a K-pop fan, I've been seeing a lot of IZ*ONE members sprinkled around everywhere. I'm a fan of some of the groups that they're a part of, the Seraphim and IVE. I'm starting to realize that maybe this IZ*ONE group might be more iconic than I thought. So I'm going to give my reaction to this video and see how great it actually is, and maybe this will be a song that I'll be addicted to for a while. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. For more reaction videos to Yena and much more, please make sure to subscribe. Here we go. Whoa, okay, we just had a shoe thrown on there. Love Catcher. She's answering the phone with a shoe. Oh, I love this part. This is the part I hear all the time. Whoa, she's got everybody grooving. Huh. Okay. She's very observant. What? Oh, she has powers. She turned somebody into a rabbit. Very mischievous. This beat is really good. Oh, she has a lot of concepts. Might grab the shoe. Oh. Oh my gosh, wait, this is so addictive. That choreo? Nah, that's great. I like how she's just like taking control over everything. Like anything is Yena. Oh, that's a classic K-pop look. Yellow card wants it. She's a felon. Oh my gosh, there's a lot going on. Your true feelings. Okay, so that's why she's in control. She controls the love. Catch. Gosh, this chorus is the best I've heard in a while. The nonchalant facial expression too. It's like she knows she's in control. She's a fox? Or rabbit? Wait, she transformed. She just evolved. What happened? There's a fight scene. Wait, she transformed back. And black and white. Oh my gosh, wait. And it had like this old animation of love. Okay, wait, that was a lot to digest. Obviously on the surface, this is a very catchy song. That's what initially drove me to this song because I couldn't stand gatekeeping myself any longer. I kept hearing this song all the time and I just wanted to listen to it, but I figured might as well save it for a reaction. So I'm finally here to react to that so I don't have to gatekeep myself from this song any longer. So it is very catchy, but then there is like this deep meaning that goes alongside it. Digesting the music video first, obviously we have a lot of scenes where we have Yena basically taking control of this world. We constantly see her influence in everyday life. She's causing distress to people, messing with them, and just being in the focal point of everything that's happening. And if we dive into the lyrics, it's very evident that she's speaking about her pursuit in romance. Obviously, with the moniker Catch Catch, she tells us to catch her heart, but then she's subtly telling us that we gotta work for it, and she's giving us details on how to actually achieve that. By her saying, you can't read me just by looking, I can climb big trees, my eyesight's sharp. She's saying that she is not gonna be easy to catch, so you gotta work for it a little bit. She is outwardly claiming that she knows that she has us interested, she has our heart in the palm of her hands, and now she's toying with it as evident in the music video. The whole world she is very much in control of. Our heart is in her control, and she's telling us not to miss our chance with her. She has all these charms about her that will make it so you do fall in love with her. So she is the mastermind behind this incoming relationship. She is very confident about her love that she is expressing, but she knows that we may be hesitant on giving her the exact same expression. So she is just toying with us and telling us the recipe on how to get her. But obviously it's just very intense as we have a lot of these stuff happening. So maybe this is how we perceive the world in which we are in love with Yena. It's just a lot's happening. She is very, very overwhelming, but this is just like what you have to do. And if you want to get Yena's attention, you got to be confident in yourself and proclaim your love to her, and make sure that if you shoot your shot that you actually nail it. So I think that was very cool, combined with a very catchy concept. Obviously, with that title being Catch Catch, it is going to be very catchy. Just hearing the chorus and just seeing this music video got me more hooked. I'm definitely going to have to listen to this more. And this once again emphasizes that IZ*ONE is a very goated group, because like I said earlier, I did not know that Yena was part of IZ*ONE, and slowly but surely I'm realizing that a lot of the fragments of IZ*ONE have been very influential in K-pop recently, and that is a very, very cool feat. I can't wait to react to more Yena or more IZ*ONE members as they come out with new stuff. But that'll be it for my reaction to Yena Catch Catch music video. Please leave me any recommendations in the comments down below, and stay tuned for more K-pop reaction content. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.